Egg Starter Experiments here. Today we're going to talk about how eggs are important for baking. So today my sister, well basically my assistant, is going to bring some brownies, and the reason why she's my assistant because she helped me make brownies. So I made these. They are with eggs, and these are without eggs. She was the one that made it. So we're gonna taste them and see which one we like. Okay, mine. No, these. Okay. I'm gonna take the one.
I don't taste them. Which one should you taste first?
This one. That's good.
That's good.
It's cherry. Oh, cherry.
I like the texture. The eggs made it like moist, so it's like mushy inside.
It's very chewy.
Okay.
That's how I like it.
I'm gonna try the one without eggs.
It's me too.
I'm scared. It's very crunchy.
Yeah.
And it's very salty. So
It's also salty for me.
So this is what I noticed about both of them. This one is like much chewier and it has fudge in the middle. And this one is just like crumbs and it has like no fudgy. And I noticed on the top that it has like this little thing. I think it's like little chocolate on it. And this one doesn't because it doesn't have eggs.
What I noticed is it's not too salty, but when you bite into it, it feels very hot, and I don't really like it because it's not chewy like this one. This one is very chewy. It's like good. It's delicious. Okay.
So if you guys want to bake these, you can. So this is how you bake them. You just bake regular brownies. The first batch, just bake regular brownies. But for the second one, don't add eggs.
I hope you liked today's video of how eggs are important for baking.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button.
This is Dr. Experiments zooming out. It's not Dr. Experiments, it's Dr. Experiments. It makes them more chewy and whoa. There should be eggs in there, but we're skipping the eggs. This is the brownie mix without the eggs. It kind of looks like pie crust. Let's put it in the oven.